Hey, what's up guys? Zack Scriven here. In this video, I'm going to share what 4.0 Solutions is. So 4.0 Solutions is the one-stop shop for all things IIoT, Industry 4.0, and digital transformation. Is 4.0 Solutions a system integrator? Many of you guys have asked this. The answer is no. We actually teach system integrators how to do what we do, digitally transform large manufacturers. So 4.0 Solutions was actually born out of the product arm of Intellic Integration. This channel actually used to be called Intellic Integration for the first 2 years of its existence. And in 2021, we pivoted the name to 4.0 Solutions in light of us launching new products and also myself going full-time with 4.0. You know, Vaughn was a new addition to the team last year, and myself, I'd always been a contractor for Intellic Integration under my company, Zack Scriven Media. In 2021, both Walker Reynolds, Vaughn Turner, and myself are now full-time with 4.0, here to serve you guys. And so what are some of our products? What do we offer and what do we sell? How do we make money? It's a great question. You know, we put out a lot of content on YouTube for free. Fortunately, we are monetized, but unfortunately, that YouTube AdSense does not pay all of our bills. So beyond just free YouTube content and our free Discord server, we have a couple of digital products. I'll start with the lowest one, which is really our free mini course. And then a step up from that is our mentorship program. So our mentorship program is a subscription training program for the Industry 4.0 professional looking to learn the skill sets they need to grow and develop Industry 4.0 solutions. Beyond our mentorship program, we actually have our Mastermind program. And that's really geared and designed for the leaders and architects of digital transformation initiatives. So it's like for solutions architects, system integrators, or end users that either don't have the budget to hire an expensive integrator themselves, or they have resources in-house and they want to own and learn how digital transformation actually works. The last but not least digital product that we offer is a digital transformation maturity assessment and roadmap. So that one is a little bit different than the other ones in the sense that it is more of a service. Well, it is a digital product, but it requires you actually are booking time with Walker to architect your solution for your particular plant. It's a series of meetings, 5 meetings. Well, it's more than 5 meetings, but there's at least 5 meetings with the core 5 teams of your group. So it's your executive leadership, your engineering, your operations, your quality, and IT department. I can't forget those guys. So that is what the digital transformation maturity assessment is. We come in, we evaluate your organization, and we set up the roadmap and we set the air vector for your architecture. After that, we pair you with one of our integrators. We don't do any service or any engineering. So whether that's Intellic Integration or one of our many system integration partners in our Mastermind program or in the Industry 4.0 community Discord server. Speaking of the Discord server, we actually are closing in on 1,000 members, and we just launched a jobs board today, actually, Industry 4.0 jobs. And what's really exciting about that is a lot of you guys have been asking, hey, I have an Industry 4.0 job that I'm looking to fill. Do you have any people that are interested in looking for these types of positions? Or on the flip side of that, hey, I am an Industry 4.0 professional. I love your YouTube content. I'm in the mentorship program. I'm looking to get a good paying job. So the Industry 4.0 Discord server, which you can join by clicking the link in the description, is the perfect place for employer and employee to marry and we don't even monetize that. We don't take any fee. We're just here to connect you guys because that's really in service of our mission to save and create middle-class jobs. So not only by teaching you guys the technology on how to leverage IIoT, Industry 4.0, and digital transformation, we're also connecting you with the right resources, the right products, the right software and hardware, the right resources and people, system integrators and talent, and also the right training, the education and content you need to be successful. So that's really what 4.0 Solutions is. You know, it's a YouTube channel, it's the Discord server, it's our mentorship program and our Mastermind program, and it's also digital transformation, maturity assessments, and roadmaps. So that's what we do. That's what 4.0 Solutions is. If you guys are interested in learning how to build industrial Internet of Things ecosystems or how to grow as an Industry 4.0 professional, leverage things like machine learning and AI, or last but not least, if you are looking to learn and grow with our community, then click subscribe and we'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Oh, and today is the last day to sign up for the mentorship program before registration closes. So make sure to click that link to sign up below. And our Digital Factory Mastermind program is meeting on February 12th. Enter coupon code JAN150 to save $150 off your first month of Mastermind subscription. That coupon code does expire today, and we'll see you guys in our first Mastermind, on our first monthly Mastermind on January 12th. Thanks for watching.